which has highest pKa value. If pKa value is high means acidic character should be less. pKa value more means acidic character should be less. If you see both these four compounds, in option 1 is benzoic acid, option 2, 3 and 4 we have nitro group. Nitro group is strong electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing group increases the acidic character of benzoic acid. Okay, here they asked about only the highest pK value, but I want to explain the comparative study also here. So if you see, NO2 is a strong electron withdrawing group. So if strong electron withdrawing group is there on the benzene ring, acidic character increases because it is minus R group. Minus R nature will be more in ortho and para positions. So ortho and para should be more acidic than metanitrobenzoic acid. Ortho and para should be more acidic than metanitrobenzoic acid. But again in ortho, there is ortho effect. Okay, because of ortho effect, orthonitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than paranitrobenzoic acid, more acidic than metanitrobenzoic acid, more acidic than benzoic acid. So what is orthonitrobenzoic acid? Compound 4. Compound 4 should be more acidic than 2, more acidic than 3, more acidic than 1. Okay, that should be the order there. Orthonitrobenzoic acid is more acidic because of ortho effect. What is ortho effect? Any group present in the ortho position, whether it is electron releasing or withdrawing, increases the acidic character of benzoic acid. Ortho effect is a combined effect of electronic factors and steric effect. So orthonitrobenzoic acid is more acidic here, but generally whether it is electron releasing or withdrawing, if any group is there in the ortho position, acidic character of benzoic acid increases. It is a combined effect of electronic effect and steric factors, and this effect is called ortho effect. So orthonitrobenzoic acid means fourth compound is more acidic than second, more than 3, more than 1. But in this they asked us which has highest pK value, means which is least acidic. So compound 1 should be your answer. But if you see the comparative study, 4 is more than 2, more than 3, more than